All right, no worries. So we also started integration in this batch. Right, we have just taken 2 or 3 classes. Right, basic formulas
Yes.
and substitution method. All right, we have finished
Yes.
that. So let me give you a quick revision of that. And I believe that would be okay. And sorry, today my camera is not working. All right, I hope that.
It's fine.
All right. I'm actually in my hometown, so internet issues I'm facing, right? Still in India.
Yes.
So what is integration basically? Integration is the reverse process of differentiation, right? You have completed differentiation in school.
Yes.
All right. And you remember the formulas of differentiation?
Yes.
All right. So don't worry if you don't know anything. All right. No need to hesitate. No need to be embarrassed about, right? We are all learning here. So if I ask you any question, just respond that, sir, I don't know this. I know this, right? Responding
Okay.
is
Okay.
important. All right.
Yes.
And this is a very democratic society. So you can ask me any doubts without any hesitation.
Yes, sir.
So if I ask you what is the differentiation of cos x?
Cos x is minus sin x.
Minus sin x, absolutely right. So what is integration? Suppose I write
Integration.
x.
It's basically the opposite of differentiation. Like the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So the integration of minus sin x will be cos x.
Absolutely right. Like if you know this, then I hope, like I believe we can do integration very nicely, right? Most of the question will
Yes.
be solving in class itself. So all you have to do is complete the assignments. It will have 4 or 5 questions after every class. All right.
Yes.
And practice the class questions at home also. If you do
Yes, sir.
just that, then you will be scoring really good marks. All right.
Yes.
So as you explained, suppose I have written x plus 5 equals to 3. So x will be equals to 3 minus 5.
Yes.
So plus and minus, they are operators, right? They
Yes.
perform a specific task. Same way, this symbol here, d upon dx, is an operator, right?
Yes, sir.
If we reverse this, this becomes integration. So integration of minus sin x dx is cos x, as you said. But integration of minus sin x dx is cos x plus c also,
C. Yes.
right? Why so? Because if you differentiate this, then also you will get minus sin x. If you differentiate this, you also get minus sin x. If you differentiate this, you also get minus sin x. So no matter
Yes.
what constant you have, the differentiation is always the same, right?
Yes, sir.
So how do we figure out which constant to add? We cannot. That is why we add a c here. This is called constant of integration. All right.
Yes, sir.
So do not forget this in the final answer. It will carry half marks. All right. They will reduce half marks if you don't write.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes.
So another student has joined. Let's talk to him. Hello, Rahman.
Hello, sir.
Everything good?
Yeah.
All right. This is your first class, right?
Yes.
All right. So what chapters have you completed in school?
Sir, till chapter 9. Till chapter 8, actually.
Till chapter 8. Or like what is the chapter 8? I don't remember the chapters by number.
Wait, sir. Application of integrals.
Application of integrals. All right. So in this batch, we are currently doing integrals.
Oh, yes. Okay.
So I hope you'll be able to catch up to this. We have completed only 2-3 classes, basics, right? Substitution method.
Okay. So
All
did
right.
you start the exercise yet?
Yes, we completed the substitution method. You can also get the recorded lectures. I'm also giving a quick revision of that.
Okay.
Right. This is just for 2 of you because you are new here.
Yep.
All right. So half an hour we have to revise basic things.
Yep.
All right.
Yes.
So I was just explaining what is integration. Integration is the reverse process of differentiation,
Okay.
right?
Yes. Okay.
So to be good at integration, you have to be good at differentiation first, right?
All right.
Mainly in substitution and etc. Right? If I ask you what is the differentiation of tan inverse x,
Uh, uh, so I don't know.
you don't know, right? And it's okay to not know, right? Honesty is the best policy, as they say. If you do not know, just tell me you do not know,
Exactly.
right? Then
Exactly.
then
Yes.
then only I can guide you the right way. Aryan, can you tell me what is the differentiation of tan inverse x?
1 by 1 plus x square.
Absolutely right. 1 upon 1 plus x square. All right. So, Rahman, you have to memorize this formula. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Because if you do not like remember this quickly, then if somebody gives you integration of this,
Yes.
then you
Okay.
will not be able to solve. Right.
Okay.
So if you need all the formula list, all the like basic again the recorded lectures of differentiation also, you can get that from the team, right?
Okay. Okay.
No need to hesitate, or you can just tell me, sir, I need this chapter, this chapter, this chapter, I'm not clear. We can send you the recorded lectures.
Okay.
And there is a process to what recorded lectures also.
All right.
When you start watching that, solve each questions simultaneously while watching the videos, right?
All right. Okay.
And if you face any difficulties in understanding any topic, then write it down on your note. Like
All right.
suppose continuity, you don't understand, so that we can arrange backup classes for you and I can explain that topic to you specifically,
All
right?
right. Yes.
Because we need all the chapters in the final exam.
Okay.
All right. So
Yes.
first task for you guys is to remember all the formulas of differentiation. All right.
Yes.
So what is integration? Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So integration of minus sin x will be cos x plus c. All right. Just the opposite.
Yes, sir.
All right. Rahman, this thing is clear?
Yes, sir. I am listening.
All right. So what is plus c here? Plus c is constant of integration. What is that? If you differentiate cos x plus 5, we get minus sin x. If you differentiate cos x plus 6, we get minus sin x. If you differentiate cos x plus 3, you get minus sin x. Right? So we do not know if we have to add 5, 6 or 3. Differentiation makes this 0. That is why we add this plus c. कि भाई साहब आप अपना देखो, हमें नहीं पता plus c की वैल्यू कितनी है. All right, we just add plus c, that is called constant of integration. All right,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
both of you guys, this is clear? All right,
Clear, sir.
okay. So what is another thing you need to understand in integration? In integration, if I add two functions or subtract two functions, then you can simply separate them. All right, you can separate the integration if the functions are added or subtracted. If they are multiplied, do not do this. Do not write like this. This is wrong. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So let me give you the quick formulas of integration. You can also note it down. And you can get the class notes also if you ever need it. All right. So you guys can quickly take notes of these formulas. This is
Yes, sir.
differentiation, and this is the integration. All right. Tell me when you have done writing this.
Yes, done, sir.
Does the rest formulas?
I have finished, sir.
Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Aryan Rahman.
Sir,
Yes,
done.
done, sir.
Give me a minute, guys. My earphones are like having issues. Just 1 minute.
Done, sir.
All right. Rahman, Aryan,
Yes,
solved it?
sir. I have done the first one.
All right. Not the second one.
The second one is, sir, x cube upon 3 minus x plus c.
X cube upon 3 minus x plus 3. Yes. Right. So
Yeah.
first one is very simple, right? Just basic formulas. In the second one, you can multiply x squared inside the brackets. So you get x square minus x square upon x square, right? Aryan?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now you can separate the integrations. This is x square dx minus 1 dx. Now this is the formula for x to the power n. So integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Right. So x to the power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus integration of 1 right as x to the power 0. Again using this formula, x to the power 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the basics of integration, and the substitution method we can gradually learn. All right, but please get the recorded lectures from the team. Right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So rest of the batch is also here. Hello, Jiva,
Hello, sir.
Kinza, Ahmed.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everything good? Everyone?
Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine. So revised everything.
Yes, sir.
All right. Any doubts from the last class?
No, sir.
No. All right. So we started integration using trigonometric identities, right? So Rahman and Aryan, we completed substitution method. All right. Get the recorded lecture. If you have any doubts, ask me. We can arrange an backup class. Now
Yes,
we were
sir.
trying to solve integration using trigonometric identities. All right. So 11 formulas, but using that, solving questions of class 12th. So write down few formulas for your revision. Sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Can anybody tell me what is the formula for this? See, if you just open the formula for sine A plus B plus sine A minus B, this is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B plus sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Right? I hope you remember this formula.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now this thing is cancelled. What we have? 2 sine A cos B. Right? Note it down. This formula is also very important. Why is this important? This converts this multiplication into addition of two trigonometric identities. So if somebody gives you sin x and cos 2x, suppose, so this is multiplication. We do not know how to integrate multiplicative functions. So if you use this formula, you can convert this into addition of two functions, and that we can separate the integrations, right?
Yes, sir.
So next formula, also this you can also open the brackets and easily find the answer. Note down the formulas. Everyone, the formulas are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Pinza,
Yes, sir.
all right. Hello, Imad.
Yes, sir.
Everything good?
Yes.
All right. Revised everything?
There's a revising going on. Revision is going.
All right. So no doubts from the last class, right?
No, sir.
All right. Very good. So please note down the formulas. We started
Yes.
integration using trigonometric identities. So here are few identities. And after this, try to solve this question. Integration of sine 2x cos 3x dx. All right. I hope you know which formula to use. Use that formula. Try to integrate. I'll give you a few minutes. And when done, please guys use chat option. All right. I'm using my earphones to charge. All right. So please either raise your hands or reply on chat. I'll put the earphones back.
Sir, is that sine 2x or sine x in that question? Sir?
Imad, can you repeat what you said? That is sine 2x. Yes, Aryan?
Yes, sir. I have finished.
You're completed. All right. Send me the answer on chat. Already, Maud. Everyone else, have you solved this? Kinza, Jiva, Ahmed, Rahman. See, this question is very simple. Here the value of A is 2x and B is 3x. So this is integration of sine A cos B. So this formula you can use, but you need a 2 here. So we can multiply 2 and divide by 2. Now this formula you can see on the screen. This is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. So half of integration sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. What is the value of A? 2x. So half of integration sine 2x plus 3x, 5x plus sine A minus B, 2x minus 3x minus x. This thing is clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now we can separate this integration because we have addition here. So this will be integration of sine 5x dx plus integration of sine of minus x dx. And sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. गांव का बच्चा बच्चा जानता है ये. So integration of sine 5x dx minus integration of sine x dx. Now we know this integration of sine x is minus cos x. What happens if I replace sine x with 5x? Can anybody tell me? I have told
So-
about this in the previous class. Yes.
We can take 5x as t.
Sorry.
We have to take 5x as t, right? Substitution.
Absolutely, absolutely. You can do that also, but I told you a direct method also. If anybody replaces x with a linear function of x, linear function means ax plus b, then just divide by the coefficient of x, right? Integration of sine x is minus cos x, so integration of sine 5x will be minus cos 5x upon 5. All right.
Yes, sir.
So we can do this. Half of integration of sine 5x minus cos 5x upon 5 minus integration of sine x is minus cos x and plus c also. So final answer is half minus cos 5x by 5 plus cos x. All right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone is clear about this.
Sir, can you explain that again? Last part.
Last part. All right. See, integration of sine x we know as minus cos x, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So if I write x as 5x. So nothing changes, right? The only replacement is I multiplied with a number. So in this type of integration, you can just divide by that number, right? Integration of sine x is minus cos x. So integration of sine 5x will be minus cos 5x upon 5.
Okay.
All right. Like for an example, integration of x dx or tan inverse x, as this is also a bit complicated, or let me just quickly explain this in substitution. How to use this? 5x as t, so 5 tx will be dt, right?
Okay. Yes.
So this integration becomes integration of sine t, and dx you can write as dt by 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 1 upon 5. Integration of sine t is minus cos t, and putting the value of t back, so minus cos 5x upon 5, right?
Okay. Yes.
Please note it down, everyone.
So, sir, for the last answer, can you just rearrange it 1 by 10 as well?
Yes, you can write it like that, no issues. Done, everyone? Pinza, Jiva, Aryan.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, next question. Integration of sine cube x, cos cube x, dx. All right, you are going to use, or you are going to need sine 3 theta formula here. So what is the formula of sine 3 theta? What is the formula for sine 3 theta? I told you this in the last class. Three sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, right? So from here you can find the value of 4 sine cube theta as 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. So sine cube theta will be 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta upon 4. Please note it down, the formula. So how to use this into this? What you can do, you can write it like this: sine x cos x to the power 3. Yes or no, everyone?
So.
So now if I multiply 8 here and divide by 8 here, I hope nobody has any issues here. I can multiply and divide by any number. Taking this 8 inside the brackets, I can write 2 sine x cos x to the power 3 dx. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is 1 upon 8 integration 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So now we can see this is integration of sine cube 2x dx. So please take 2x as t, convert this into substitution, apply this formula, try to find this integration. I'll give you few minutes. Everyone is clear what we did here? Rahman, Ahmed, Aryan,
Yes, sir. Clear.
all right. Kinza, Jiva,
Yes, sir.
all right. So please find the value, send the answer in chat. Math, you forgot this 1 upon 8, I guess.
Yes.
Right.
But the answer was
Very
correct.
easy. Let's see. All right. I'll also solve this. You can match your answer every step.
Okay.
All right, Kinza. All right. So how to solve this? You can put 2x equals to t. So 2 dx will be dt. So dx will be dt by 2. Right. So this question becomes 1 upon 8 integration of sine cube t dt by 2. So what you can take this half outside. So 1 upon 16 integration of sine cube t dt. Sine cube theta, you can put 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta upon 4. This is 1 upon 16 integration of 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta upon 4. All right. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Now this integration is very simple. 16 4s are 64. Integration of 3 sine theta. Do not forget this d theta as me, and please write this as t. My bad. So 3 sine t minus sine 3t dt. Separate the integration. So this is 1 upon 64. Bada wala bracket 3 sine t dt minus integration of sine 3t dt. Rahman, what is the integration of sine 3t?
Sir, it's cos.
Cos.
Yes, I think so. I don't know.
You don't know. Just solve this, right? In the previous question, what is the integration of sine t?
So let me check.
Hmm?
So let me check.
Sorry.
So let me check. Sir. Sine.
All right. Integration of sine t is minus
It's
cos t,
oh,
right?
okay.
So if you multiply this t with 3, can anybody tell me what this becomes? Integration? Aryan?
Minus 3 cos t.
No, you do not have to multiply, you have to divide, right? In integration, you divide by the constant. All right, Aryan?
Yes, sir.
So integration of sine t is minus cos t minus integration of sine 3t is minus cos 3t upon 3 and plus c. Do not forget the c. So this becomes 3 by 16 minus 3 by 16 cos t plus 1 by 48 cos 3t. Put the value of t. So you get minus 3 by 16 cos 2x plus 1 by 48 cos 6x plus c. I hope everyone is clear about this. If you do not understand my handwriting, just ask, right? No need to fear me. All right, everyone. Aryan, Ahmed, Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Jiva, Kenza.
Yes, sir.
All right. Note it down. Tell me when you're done.
Done, sir.
All right, next question. If anybody has not completed writing this, you can tell me, right? No pressure. We'll wait for you. Integration of cos x dx upon 1 plus cos x. All right, so remember one thing. Whenever you see 1 plus cos x or 1 minus cos x, you are going to use half angle formula, right? And what is half angle formula? Where angle is halved. Very simple, right? No rocket science here. So if anybody remembers the formula cos 2 theta, please enlighten me. Any warrior between us who remembers the formula? Kinza,
Is it
Jiva,
cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta?
cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. Let's put it like this, cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. This is cancelled. Does it seem right?
No.
No. So you almost got it. This is cos square theta minus sin square theta, right? So what happened here? We had 2 theta. So this became theta. So if I had cos 4 theta, I can write it as cos square 2 theta minus sin square 2 theta. Angle is also halved, right? Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So we can decrease the angle also, right? Not only increase. If we have cos theta, so what we can do? Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Again, half the angle, right? So we can see we have cos x. So we can put x here. Now there is another formula for this. 1 plus cos x, remember 2 cos square x by 2. Again, remember angle is halved. If you have 1 plus cos 4x, so this will be, can anybody tell me? One plus cos 4x. Imad, Aryan, Rahman, Ahmed. Half the angle.
So can you explain the formula for it again?
Yes. See, if we have 1 plus cos x, we write it as 2 cos square x by 2. So what changed here? Everything is same. Just x is written as 4x. So here x will be written as
4x.
4x. So 4x by 2 is
2x.
2x. So this formula will be 2 cos square 2x. 4x becomes 2x. So if I had 8x, that will become 4x. Half the angle. Just divide the angle by 2. All right.
Yes, sir.
And 1 minus cos x we can write as 2 sine square x by 2. This is very, very, very important formulas. Please note it down. All right, memorize it like it's your name. In your sleep, if somebody asks you what is 1 plus cos x, you should be able to say 2 cos square x by 2. This much important this formula is. And when to use this? Whenever you see 1 plus cos x or 1 minus cos x, sin x upon 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x, everywhere you have to use these 2-3 formulas. All right, so put a lot of stars in this and write down the formula. Then try to solve this. 1 plus cos x you can put as 2 cos square x by 2, and cos x you can put as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Put these 2 formulas here, try to simplify the integration, try to solve, send the answer in the chat. So, all right, correct answer. Did you miss the half, Kinza? Or there was no half?
There were some halves, sir.
Right. So please, guys, don't forget the numbers, right? Otherwise, teachers will not give you numbers. All right. Everyone else, have you solved this? All right, Aryan, you also forget
Yes,
the
sir.
half. So what we can do here, this is cos x. Cos x, we can write this cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Very simple. Take this half outside. We do not like numbers inside of integration. Now we can separate this subtraction, this and this. So this is cos square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2 minus integration of sin square x by upon cos square x by 2 dx. So half integration of this is cos square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2 is 1 dx minus sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2 is tan square x by 2. Now how to integrate tan x or tan square x? We know sec square x minus tan square x is 1. So tan square x you can write, what you can write? Sec square x minus 1. Yes or no everyone? ऊपर से जा रहा है क्या सब कुछ?
Yes, sir.
All right. So tan square x by 2 you can write sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Again you can separate this integration. So half, और ये बड़ा वाला bracket half है. Half integration 1 dx is x minus integration of sec square x by 2. Integration of sec square x. Any warrior who remembers the formulas?
So integration of sec square x,
Yes,
tan x.
absolutely correct. So sec square x by 2, just multiply with the coefficient. Coefficient here is half. So 2 tan x by 2, right?
Yes,
No,
sir.
an integration of minus, and this is minus, so plus 1 will be x. And plus, so this is 2x minus 2 tan x by 2, and this is half, so x minus tan x by 2. Tinza, there is no half, right? So you had the correct answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. So sometimes the teacher is also wrong. You stand your grounds, right? Next question. I hope everyone is clear.
Yes, sir.
Note it down. I'll give you 2 minutes. Then the next question. All right, next question. Integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha whole divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Alpha here is a constant. Only one formula you need. Cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. Use this property or formula and try to simplify this, try to solve this. Very easy question. All right, I'll give you guys few minutes. Sorted? Everyone, yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
almost
Almost there. All right. So very simple question. Integration cos 2x, we can just replace 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha minus 1 dx whole divided by cos x minus cos alpha. This is minus 1 minus minus plus 1. We can cancel out. So what we have, integration 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Do not forget the dx. Taking 2 common here, throwing this out of integration, cos square x minus cos square alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha. Can anybody tell me what is the formula of a square minus b square?
A minus b, a plus b.
Absolutely. So we can apply this here. So this is 2 integration cos x minus cos alpha cos x plus cos alpha whole divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Cancelling this out. So final integration is 2 integration cos x plus cos alpha dx. 2 integration of cos x is sin x and integration of cos alpha integration of cos alpha. Nobody knows integration of cos alpha.
Sin alpha.
No. Alpha is a constant here, right? Treat it as a number 5, 6.
So like sir, integral 1 dx.
Absolutely
that.
correct. Absolutely. So we can integrate it like this. Cos alpha dx. So cos alpha is outside of the integration. Integration 1 dx. Integration of 1 is x. So x cos alpha is the answer. All right. So always remember, distinguish between constant and variable. They will try to confuse. Not our job to be confused. And plus c. This is the final answer. All right, everyone.
So
Note it down. Tell me when you're done. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is all for today's class. I hope everything is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right.